Hi guys, today we are going to be cleaning my mess of a kitchen. I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to declutter my kitchen while cleaning my kitchen. We're actually going to be putting stuff in boxes because we're actually going to be moving. So right now I'm going to just be putting away stuff that we don't really need, that's kind of just been sitting in there. I should have gone through it a long time ago. But we're just going to be boxing it away so that way we can start to make the kitchen look nice for when we show the house. So if you guys would like to see me clean my kitchen and also putting some stuff away, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Well, here we go. I have a whole lot of cleaning to do today in this kitchen because I'm actually planning on painting the kitchen probably in the next week or so. I have a lot to do. I need the house looking tip-top shape so that when we put it up, whoever comes and looks at it, it's gonna look eye-appealing and they're gonna want it. Also, I have tons of dishes out right now because I just did 2 cooking videos that I have to put up. So there's dishes everywhere. And usually what I do with the bananas, once they get to a point where I won't really eat them anymore, because I actually kind of like them a little green, I just will peel them apart and I'll put them in a baggie and put them in the fridge for whenever I want like a smoothie or something like that. So that way nothing goes to waste. I hate wasting food. And the stove. I actually kind of like cleaning the stove. I don't know why. I'm such a messy cooker that my stove always gets so dirty. But I think ever since I was a little kid, I've always loved when my mom cleaned the stove and like you just see it look gross and then it goes to looking very, very pretty, especially because mine is white. So I love cleaning the stove for some reason. And if you guys are new to my channel, I usually don't go this deep into cleaning. So if you guys would like to check out other videos, I will be linking all my other cleaning videos down below. So make sure you go down there and look for those. And if you guys don't have one of these, this is my air fryer. I swear, this is my holy freaking grail in this kitchen. I love my air fryer. It's so convenient, and anything you put in it, it cooks it, it crisps it. Oh, I love that thing. I definitely recommend getting that. And then I have a bunch of boxes. I usually get them from like my local grocery store. So I'll just go out in the morning when they do like their stocking. They'll have a bunch of empty boxes and I'll just grab a bunch of them. So what I'm gonna be doing right here is filling up these boxes with just miscellaneous stuff around the kitchen that I'm not really using. Yes, my drawers are a mess. I know, I never organized them. The year that we lived here, I've never organized them. But it doesn't really matter right now because we're packing. So all I'm doing is putting stuff away that I have not, like if I haven't pulled it out in like 6 months, I'm gonna put it away. Because most likely in the next couple months, we're not even gonna be using it. So might as well just box it up. And you deserve. And you deserve. So I don't think I really explained what's kind of going on. I'm gonna talk about when we're moving and where we're moving to and stuff like that in a way later video. But for now, basically what I'm gonna be doing when I'm moving all of this stuff, because I know it's all put away, so kind of what's the point, because people aren't gonna walk in and just, you know, look through all of my cabinets, but they are going to be looking through the cabinets. So I like them to look open, empty. That way people can envision what they're gonna put in the cabinets instead of what I already have in there. And I know I have tons of kitchen stuff. I mean, I am a hoarder when it comes to kitchen because I cook a lot. So I have baking products and cooking products and fancy things. I have them everywhere. So in my mind, I think that if I put everything away, it's gonna make everything look so much bigger. And hopefully to the family that's gonna be buying our house, will envision their dishes and appliances in the cabinets instead. Another thing is that our counter space is kind of small, and I have big appliances, like I have a toaster oven, I have a microwave, I have an air fryer, and I'm going to be hiding some of those. Not so much the microwave, but you know, I have the utensils and stuff like that out. So to make the counter space look a whole lot bigger, I'm also going to be putting that stuff in the cabinets that are now going to be empty. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just gonna be putting all random miscellaneous kitchen stuff only though. That way at least I know where everything is at. It's all in the same box and I know what all goes in the kitchen. But I'm going to be putting all miscellaneous stuff in the boxes and writing on it, taping it up, and either putting it in our shed or in our storage. And then from there, I will go through and organize it, so you guys will be seeing that video. But right now, I'm just focused on cleaning it. And you know the drill. I already have 10,000 loads of dishes, so you're gonna keep seeing me jump back and forth to put dishes in, take dishes out, because I don't know how to do dishes and do loads of dishes at the same time. I just like to fill my entire sink up. So nice job, Vanessa. And I never show you guys what's in here. We actually keep our trash in here, plus some of my cleaning products like the broom, the mop, and things like that. But this part always gets so dirty because the trash can is in there. So when we go to throw things away, sometimes we miss and then we don't even realize it. So there's just a bunch of crap all on the bottom of this, and I'm gonna be cleaning this today. So I'm actually very excited to be cleaning this because it needed it. It needed a little bit of TLC. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be cleaning it, and then I'm gonna put the trash can back in, and then I'm also going to be putting all the brooms and stuff like that back in also. If you guys watch in our other videos, sometimes I don't really touch this whole entire section. The reason why is because that's kind of just where we keep like old mail, kind of papers that we need but then don't really need. And I don't know why I never just put them away in the office. That's what the office is there for. And then this part, this is where we like kind of have our charging station for our phones or, you know, our pads or whatever it may be. So that part starts to get a little bit dirty because we will also throw like random things over there like chapstick or pens or whatever. So that part always gets dirty. And I leave my onions and my bananas and my avocados and stuff like that out on the counter. So that part always has like leftover bits of food or something there every single time. But I'm finally cleaning it and it looks pretty freaking snazzy. And yeah, these 3 cabinets actually only have Tupperware in it. I know. How much Tupperware do I need? For some reason, I just have so much. It's like I always used to go and buy Tupperware and then I would lose lids and then find lids so then I wouldn't throw anything away. So I narrowed it down to the bottom of both of those cabinets, but all 3 of them are Tupperware. So all of that is getting put away, every single bit of it. And dishes number 1457. I don't know why. I told you guys I just do dishes over and over and over again. It's so repetitive. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys, that every single time I clean my kitchen, it's basically like watching me just do dishes the entire time. It's like I always have to come back to it. So I apologize because here we go again. I always love when sweeping and mopping come into play, even vacuuming, just because at the end of like, after you've cleaned everything and it's time to finish, it mostly usually finishes, in my case at least, with sweeping, mopping, or vacuuming. So to me, it's like that seal of everything, like boom, done. The only thing is that I'm not completely done. I still have the sink to do. So that's a little bit of a disappointment, but I still love to sweep and mop. To me, this is like the easiest part of cleaning and it's the most enjoyable part of cleaning. Now, this is the last part of cleaning, my sink. Now, I know the sink is kind of old and we thought about that too, the fact that the house is going up for sale, but the house is old. Our house was built in the 50s and it is an old house, so the things that are in it honestly aren't that bad for what they are. So the sink is most likely going to stay. It's a little bit stained and there are some wear and tear on it, but it's not the worst thing and I think it will be completely fine. So all I'm going to do for the sink is just have a good upkeep on cleaning it. I may have it sprayed, but I doubt it. But cleaning it should be just fine. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will be seeing you guys very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.